Ready? Start. Madam Deputy Chairman, the proposals regarding irrigation projects, including Telugu Ganga project and other power projects submitted by the successive Andhra Pradesh government may kindly be cleared very soon so that people of Andhra Pradesh may progress accordingly. Stop stanza. Regarding the education policy of the government shall provide opportunities to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes to get admission into the Navodaya schools. Stop. The education policy at the college levels shall be employment oriented and the syllabi of the various disciplines at the degree level shall include the syllabi of the UPSC. Stop. In competitive examinations, many students from rural backgrounds are not able to secure creditable positions due to their education in the colleges in various disciplines with adequate syllabi not matching with the UPSC programs of examination. Stop. Professional courses have been taken into account in the recent past and subjects like electrical engineering, civil engineering and mechanical engineering have been prescribed. Stop. However, the fast developing subject of electronics and communications taught at degree level has not been included in the syllabus of IAS and other allied examinations. Stop. It is therefore suggested that electronics and communication of degree standard may be introduced as a subject both for preliminary and main examinations for IAS and other competitive examinations. Stop. This approach shall eliminate frustration and encourage students to take degrees in electronics. Stop. The scientific advancement in the field of electronics and communications demands such a recognition of the subject of inclusion in the scheme of examination for IAS and other allied examinations. Stop. The Ministry of Home Affairs, Department of Personnel may be requested to work out on the proposals suggested herein. Stop. In the case of SC and ST communities, it has come to my notice that in spite of vacancies having been exclusively reserved for them, the posts are not filled up on the pretext that no applicant was found stable. Stop. This gives further mental harassment to the applicants. Stop. It has also come to my knowledge that in personal matters, managements of government organizations generally suppress the outstanding candidates for their personal gains. Stop stanza. Madam, I am thankful to the Finance Minister for initiating suggestions for cooperative credit system, which was in the past a major instrument of self-reliance for development. Stop. I am of the view that cooperative movements should be launched for attracting rural educated technocrats. Stop over.